So my name is Stephanie Robbins. I'm the head of Children, Families and Safeguarding Services. So I oversee the Family Support and Intervention Service, the Children Looked After Service, the Youth Justice Service and the Vulnerable People Service. So the aim of our service is to ensure that children can remain living with their families. It's to provide early intervention services that prevent the need to escalate and require statutory services. When safeguarding is required, we work with multi-agencies to best support the children and families to ensure the child's safety and well-being. It's critical that we hear the voice of the child and families through all our assessment, intervention and engagement. Wherever possible, we are trying to maintain support and guide families without having to take any further steps unnecessary, and to ensure that the families remain together, where they stay within their communities, they have the close links with family, friends, schools and education services.
Ymunwch â thîm Conwy. Conwy.gov.uk/swyddi.